Hello, everyone. Welcome to another special webinar for our aspirants for CAA. Today, we shall continue with floating pulses. We shall be discussing the second of the floating pulses, surging pulse, or also called overflowing or flooding pulse. So these are the six floating pulses that we shall be taking up. So we are done with floating pulse. You might want to review the presentation on our YouTube. Okay. And so for today, we shall be focusing more on surging pulse. So four to go, four more or five more. The surging pulse is of a generous shape. Okay. And it is powerful, just like roaring waves. So imagine the waves. They come vigorously and fade away. I'm sure everyone is familiar with this, no? This indicates extreme heat patterns. Okay. The surging pulse is caused by pathogenic heat that fill the vessels. And then because of the heat, the vessels become enlarged and the chi becomes exuberant and the blood is gushing. So this pulse is also translated as overflowing and flooding. And the pulse's name alludes to the sensation it creates, surging. It is large, replete, wide, and superficial. No? So imagine the tidal wave. The pulse rises powerfully from the deep level and it hits the fingers with force in the superficial level. So it arises from the deep level. It will often be experienced when the exogenous pathogenic factor has penetrated down to the chi level or the yang ming aspect. So at this point, there will be a fierce struggle between the jiang qi and the xie qi, no? The pathogenic factor and your upright qi. This struggle will manifest with a very replete pulse. So at the same time, the exuberant heat that the struggle generates will increase the speed of the pulse. So the pulse would be quite fast. The heat is so intense that it forces the chi and body fluids to the surface, and this can be felt in the pulse. So the flooding pulse or hongmai can start as a deep or normal pulse in the shear position and increase in strength and width, rising upward so that when it reaches the tsun position, it is superficial, wide, and replete. Sometimes you can only feel the overflowing pulse in one position. In this case, the pulse position will feel very strong and full in the superficial aspect. This is a sign that there is heat in the organ or organs related to this pulse position. If the pulse is generally weak, but is relatively full and superficial in a single position, it is a manifestation of yin deficiency heat or empty heat in this organ or organs. So remember, if it's due to yin deficiency heat, the pulse is weak, okay? Because the source is a deficiency condition. So again, the description, the pulse is wide and forceful, although it fades gently. The vessel is wide and thick. So it is like the ocean wave that comes strongly, but it leaves calmly. Easily felt at the superficial depth, wide and forceful, arrives with more power than when it leaves. So you can have the illustration. You can study the illustration here. So indication there is excess heat on the chi level. So in biomedicine, this will correlate with various acute infectious diseases. Okay. So just recently I had a patient, he had UTI, no? Very unusual for a male, no? So masakit yung likod. Severe pyrogenic bacterial infection, also found in patients with adverse flow of blood caused by aortic insufficiency. So excessive pathogenic heat in the interior will dilate the blood vessels. So if the blood vessels are dilated, this will accelerate the circulation of qi and blood. So you have a flooding pulse. Okay. So the flooding pulse can be a normal pulse during the summer. So don't be surprised if most of your patients during summer will have a flooding pulse. I think it's easy to understand that. The flooding pulse is different from the full pulse because the full pulse does not have a very large base, and whether felt under light or heavy pressure, it is wiry, long, and strong. So flooding pulse or overwhelming pulse or surging pulse is caused by fire, resulting from excessive yang heat, but it can also result from yin deficiency. So of course, the pulse here will be weak, no? Particularly when blood deficiency produces heart fire blazing upwards. There are also different principles of treatment for the flooding pulse with excessive symptoms and for the flooding pulse with deficient symptoms. The flooding pulse, which occurs with abundant heat, stasis in the stomach, will causing swelling, fullness, upset stomach, and vomiting. These are excess symptoms. So how do you treat? You immediately treat by clearing the stomach heat. The flooding pulse, which occurs with dysentery or diarrhea, indicates the engine has been severely damaged by yang heat, and so this will occur with deficiency symptoms. So what are you going to do? You treat by nourishing the yin and clearing the heat. Okay? So again, you can have both excess heat and deficient heat for a flooding pulse. When the heart fire blazes upward, causing symptoms of dryness in the throat, sore throat, and cracked or ulcerated tongue, the flooding pulse can be felt at the left Sun position. So if you have a patient with such pulse, and then you observe that the tongue is ulcerated and cracked, so you can feel, this is one example where you can only feel the flooding pulse on one location. So when excessive fire in the lung causes symptoms of coughing, asthma, pain in the chest, and coughing of blood, the flooding pulse can be felt at the right Sun position. So the first one was fire, the heart. The second one is the lung. Okay? When excessive liver yang damages the gene in the stomach and fluid, that means the body fluids, no? Both quan pulses, they become flooding. So you may be able to feel all the three pulses as a flooding, but you have to determine which is the worst or which is more impactful. When the kidney jing is deficient or damaged, the yin fire is unable to be stored. So when the yin fire cannot be stored, both shear pulses will become flooding. Okay, so this is an example of a deficient flooding pulse. Overall, if the flooding pulse appears in the upper, middle, or lower burner, it is usually due to excessive fire and heat. Any questions from the audience? Okay, let's go to assessment. Mom Tricks, please do the honors.
Enoch.
Okay, so the questions that we shall be asking may not exactly be related to the topic, no? So hopefully we have learned a lot from when we discussed the two floating pulses, no? The superficial and the surging or overflowing or flooding pulse. Um, I would suggest that you also memorize the Chinese, the pinyin as well, because other books may have other names for the pulses. So Fumai is superficial, while Hongmai is surging. Okay, Mom Tricks. What does a
Yes.
moderate pulse indicate?
It indicates syndromes of dampness, spleen, and stomach deficiency. Not enough qi and blood to fill the vessels.
Okay, actually, when you have moderate, so that means it's not strong nor weak. It actually indicates a normal pulse, or it can mean dampness. So it depends on, like, of course, we will be looking at a slippery pulse here, but it's moderate, so it's dampness, correct. Or you can have spleen stomach qi deficiency. Okay. What about a moving pulse? When does one have a moving pulse?
When there's pain, fright, or shock.
Yes, there's severe pain and fright. Severe pain and severe, huh? So it's like, okay, let's see. Let's say, ay, wag na lang. Swift pulse. Pulse that's too swift, too fast.
It indicates yang excess and yin exhaustion.
Yes, very good. What plays the most important role to form the pulse image?
Proper diagnosis.
The chi. Yeah, proper diagnosis, of course. Parang may mali sa question. But anyway, so it should be the chi is very, very impactful. It actually affects the pulse, no? Sorry about the question. I knew you this is supposed to be your answer, but I think you were supposed to be, diba? So it's like heart chi and zong chi. Okay, because
Archie.
yes. So it's the chi. Of course, the chi moves the blood. Diba?
Yes.
Without chi, how can you expect the blood to move? So how would you describe a pulse that is full of stomach chi or wei chi?
A normal pulse.
Yeah. The pulse beats
Um,
are calm, they're gentle, even with force, and regular rhythm. That's what we call stomach chi. And of course, you have to look at the tongue. The how about pulse that is full of shan?
it indicates the good state of heart chi and blood. It's
Yes.
the it's regular and soft.
Yeah, you have to consider the force, moderate force, and the rhythm is even in a soft vessel. So you cannot have that kind of rhythm if the vessel is already hard, no? So
Yes.
you cannot expect this from people who are having atherosclerosis, diba? Okay, what do you mean by pulse that is rooted?
It indicates the kidneys are strong and healthy.
Yeah, this is actually the pulse that felt at deep level on all the three
Yes.
positions, now the Chun, the Quan, and the Shi. And it is felt at the Shi position. So if you don't feel this at the Shi position at all, then the pulse is not rooted. Next, the size of the pulse should be,
It will depend on the chi and blood, the reflection of Zhangfu organs, neither too thin or too wide.
yeah, neither
Should be
too thin nor too wide. Just enough. What do you mean by depth of a pulse?
the location where pulse is strongest. Normal pulse should be felt in the middle depth.
Yes. So that is why if you have a pulse that you can only feel at the superficial, at the end of the treatment, you should be able to feel it at the middle level because this is where the chi and blood would flow. Or if you have a pulse that's too deep, you should endeavor to really bring it up to the middle level at least. Diba? Mhm. That's why we need to always let's try to educate our patients so that they would understand, no? So when is the best time to take the pulse?
Um, Morning.
Yeah, early. Upon waking up,
Early,
early morning when everyone is
early
still
morning.
sleeping. Yeah.
Half asleep.
So we should educate the patient. Okay. Um, And then they should always see a difference, especially when you feel the pulses, no? Oh, especially
Yes.
when you after you do the treatment. Um, Dr. Ryan Baldemar just shared with me that he read somewhere that if you do needling, like
Mm-mm.
I'm a fan of 4-point needle technique. So for those who
Mm-mm.
be with us in Cebu, I'll try my best to really teach you that because it's so amazing. Um, we have to wait now,
Ako, love ko yun.
yeah, 2 minutes.
Purport.
Ang
Mm-mm.
galing, no? Grabe siya talaga, as in. And you need to know ano yung excess or deficient, yung mga ganon.
Mm-mm.
Um, Ako naman, like, I was so, like, excited because what I do, like, di ba, the first 2 points, I would immediately check kaagad. But it's
Mm-mm.
not supposed to be that daw kasi it takes 2 minutes. And that's a lot. That's
2 minutes.
fast. So after you've needled all four, plus other points, so we wouldn't like to see an ear na super dami ng needles because there can always be the possibility of
Mm-mm.
stimulating. And for beginners, we suggest that we use ear seeds, no? And
Mm-mm.
we would like to invite everyone. We're very excited because starting, kailan ba yun? Yeah, March 24, that will be 2 weeks from now, somebody will be lecturing on gua sha. Oh, di ba? That voice is familiar to you. Okay. Okay, what is the strength of a pulse? What does it mean? Strength.
It means the strength of pulse beats, such as deficiency pulse and the excess pulse.
Okay. This is where you get, this is so important, because first you need to determine is the condition chronic, I'm sorry, is the condition deficient or is it
That's it.
um excess, di ba? Mm. And
Mm-mm.
usually chronic conditions are deficient and acute conditions are excess. Yeah. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Unless I saw the face of Doc She, I'm sure she would be excited to share with us the tongues. Would you like to be the co-host, Doc She? You're muted. Gawin kitang co-host.
Nasa biyahe kami, Dok, ng husband ko.
Sorry. Kampanya pala
Kasi
kayo.
nag-ano kami, hindi nag-install kami ng radio station dito sa
Ay,
isang municipality.
ay wow, sa
So,
all. Baka gusto mo dito
oo.
mag-install. Joke. Congratulations.
Oo.
Sure winner na yan. Mhm.
Ay, thank you po. Pero
So,
may mga questions din ako, Dok, mamaya.
hindi, tanungin mo na ngayon.
Um, so usually, Dok, pag mga, usually pag ang tang, di ba, pag toothless na siya, it means, uh,
Ruthless.
yeah,
Rootless.
pag rootless na siya, tapos dry tongue, it's, um, excess ba yun? Ano ba yung ano
No.
nun?
When you say rootless,
Mm-mm.
nagkukulang na. So it's deficient. And if you have a
Deficient siya.
rootless tongue coating, that means the stomach chi is beginning to become deficient. Diba?
Okay.
So
Okay.
when you have a complete disappearance of the coating, that's where you call it
Mm.
indeficiency. Diba?
Sige, may i-share ako. Wait.
Oh,
Ito,
sige, I'll make you.
uh,
Okay, would you like to, ano ba yan? Will you be using your cell phone or what?
yeah, cellphone lang, Dok.
Okay, sige. Let's see.
This one.
Hmm. Oh.
On the right side,
Hmm.
nabaliktad ko kasi pag-edit eh. But
Hmm.
on the right side, that was her tongue 1 week ago.
Okay.
So, after 1 week, yun na yung tongue niya sa left
Hmm.
side.
Hmm. There's a term for
Walang
that.
masyadong,
Allow me to interrupt you. Um,
okay po.
based kay kay Machocha, he said that this is very typical. I'm sure your patient is elderly na konti, no?
She's 72 years old
Hindi na pala
and
konti. Okay.
a stroke patient. Pero ano siya, mild stroke lang naman. So, na-move pa rin niya naman yung mga ano niya, peripherals niya, yun lang.
Mm.
Yung pinaka-complaint niya lang lately is her
Mm.
knee pain. Knee pain.
There will be pain because if you notice, there's a term for that. Wala na yung coating, and you could actually see the what's this? The cracks already, no?
Yeah,
There was
yeah,
slight improvement. And when you have yin deficiency kasi, like may heat yan, there will be pain as well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you look at the coat of the tongue, no, it's a little bit too big for her
Yeah,
mouth.
swollen. Yeah, swollen.
So you said about ano joint pain, no? So there could
Ay,
be
yeah.
yeah, yeah. It is
Okay.
so easy for her to contract talaga wind or dump invasion. Yun.
Yeah. And on her first visit to me, her the deficient pulse was the spleen and the stomach pulse.
Okay. Mm.
Pero so yun ang trinit ko muna kasi overall yun ang weakest
Mm.
pulse talaga. Yung pinaka deficient. But yet ngayon, pagbalik niya sa akin, nag-okay na yung spleen and stomach pulse, yung medyo mahina naman, which is the liver at saka heart naman. Yung medyo deep talaga. Tapos
Mm.
pag diniinan mo siya sa pinaka deep talaga, Doc,
Mm.
nawawala siya.
Okay.
Disappearing yung pulse niya.
Mm. So, yeah, di ba sabi ko kanina, wala na siyang coating. So, di
Yeah,
ba,
wala
like
nang
we have learned na if it's empty heat or deficient heat, that's heat because of a deficient condition. So, when you feel
uh,
it deeper, nawawala na siya kasi superficial na
mm-mm,
siya. And so, when you
mm-mm,
press
mm-mm,
deeper, especially sa
mm-mm.
middle, more sa deep level,
No,
there will
sige.
be no more
Wala
pulse.
na talaga. No
So
more
this
siya.
one is ice floss pala ang tawag dito, ice floss. This is very typical of tongue for those belonging to her age group, no? So
Mm. Ano yun, Doc? Ice floss?
floss, ICEFLOSS. If you have the third
Ice floss.
edition,
Ice crack.
yeah, yun ba yun? I hope I'm correct, or
Ice cracks,
Ice
I
crack.
think. Ice
Ice
cracks,
crack.
yeah. Ito daw.
oh yeah, whatever.
Ice crack.
Ayun. I hope I can kasi right now they're very strict kasi when it comes to I have a copy sa ebook kaya lang you cannot share it, grabe. They're kaya if I were you, no, for those who were able to
Yeah.
have access to channel, you're quite lucky. And much as I wanted to share, kasi I saw that Dr. Palanca has this third edition, and every time I download from a from a from a group, no, it's in black and white. So how can you appreciate a tongue na black and white?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely
So
you cannot.
I had to shell out medyo pricey konta, pero I could not share it. No, parang hello. Pero colored siya. Yun. And I was able to download, ay, hala, baka makita tayo. Sa like, but it's in Spanish.
O yung
So,
nga, Doc, parang
Doc,
may
meron
na-send ka
kang
na
isang, oo,
Spanish.
na Spanish.
Meron.
Sasabihin ko pa
Masal
lang.
oo,
siya, pero
yung isa,
Spanish.
hindi ko talaga
Yes.
pwede maipadala. Like, talagang ano ba to?
Ano ba to? Hindi mabasa.
But you look Spanish, di ba? The people in Palawan are Spanish speaking.
No. Taga Zamboanga
Ganito
siguro,
na
oo.
lang. I have both the one you have is black and white, no? The Machocha. But the Spanish is color, di ba?
colored,
The Spanish is
I think.
colored. So you try to
As I
look
can
at,
remember.
try to ano lang. Oo. Or study Spanish. Oo.
I have
Ano,
another one, Doc, to share, Doc, if you
sige.
want. Meron pa. Another one.
Of course, no problem.
This one. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Same thing on the right side. That was the first meeting with me last week also.
Hmm.
Medyo nagda-dark na talaga siya last time. Tapos, ah, ano ba yung ano niya? Nakalimutan sa dami ng mga nakalimutan ko yung complaint nitong tao na to.
Ay, importante yun.
Ah,
Mm.
yeah, wait lang. Kasi
The
syempre
first thing
marami
you,
ka naging pasyente.
the first thing you
Nakalimutan
will
mo.
notice is the tongue is so thin,
Yeah, pain
Mm-mm.
talaga.
but very ano.
Okay. I remember na. Uh, he has
Crazy.
um he has edema, pero medyo ano pa lang, parang acute edema pa lang siya. And he has scanty urine.
Anong klase yung edema niya? Is it pitting or
Hindi,
non-pitting?
no, not yet naman. Not yet.
So non-pitting pa siya.
Non-pitting and more
How
on
old is your patient? Your
the
patient doesn't.
lower side. More on the lower part siya, Doc. Not on the middle.
So
Parang
ano
hindi sa
chief
calf
complaint niya?
area.
Based
Yun,
on,
edema.
yeah, I think the kidneys are already affected here. Oh,
Yeah.
kasi
At
parang,
saka nung una, may pain, Doc. Yung edema niya may pain. Sabi niya, ma'am, Doc, nag-ano talaga, parang kumikirot talaga siya, sabi niya sa akin. Nung unang meeting namin last week, kumikirot siya. So,
yeah, I think the
so,
edema is on and off. It's not acute.
opo, actually, oo, lately lang, Doc, na parang panay na siya, na
Mm.
parang hindi na nawawala. Dati daw, pag medyo lumulobo yung sa may paa niya, nawawala lang din naman daw. Tapos ngayon medyo matagal na bago nawala. So medyo, at saka may pain na.
Yeah,
So medyo doon sila nabahala.
okay.
Kaya yun.
Alam mo what happened here? I think your patient, if you look at the constitution, he's not mataba, di ba? He's like yin
No,
deficiency
yun.
talaga siya.
And
So
Yeah, yun
we will
siya.
be looking at the patient who is probably very hardworking or anything sa physical labor, no? Di ba?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ang nangyari, kasi if you,
Mm.
yeah. So,
Mm. Kasi nagpa-farming sila to.
of course.
Farming
So
sila.
that's very
They're
physical.
on the farm.
So, pag ano
Yeah.
kasi, that would be kidney yang deficiency talaga. And if you look at the coating, it's really quite thick, no? And the lungs are not good. Nakita mo dito,
Yeah.
there's a
like depression.
depression
Yung
talaga.
sa left side, yan na yung kanina na photo pagbalik niya sa akin.
Okay.
The right side was
So
the
what is the
one,
chief
the
complaint?
previous
The
one.
edema?
The edema po, the edema and the pain and the scanty urine. Kasi yun, hindi siya makatulog sa gabi kasi ihi siya ng ihi. Kasi konti-konti lang ihi.
So does he feel cold? Expert dyan si
Ano
ano.
ba?
Okay, ganito yan. Obviously, you can have both kidney yin deficiency and kidney yang deficiency. But since the urination is scanty, this
Yeah.
patient, sino yun? Okay, it's hang on. Wait lang. Nawala tuloy. Okay. So, yung scanty urine, ganito yan ha. Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Ang constitution ng patient is very yin deficiency. Okay? But remember, um, at saka parang pula na yung, is that natural light?
Yeah, pero ano talaga, dark talaga yan siya, Doc. Yung last week na dila niya, ganyan talaga, dark talaga siya.
So, if you, hindi mo lang in-include talaga yung muka, medyo iba na talaga yung ano niya. The kidney is
Oo.
definitely weak. So,
Mm.
Anong age ng patient?
Nasa mga, bata pa to eh, nasa mga 50 plus pa to, not yet on the 60s eh.
So talagang ano na, mahina na talaga yung kidney niya. So kidney yang deficiency.
Yeah,
Oo. So
yeah,
the edema is very it's so obvious, 'di ba? Mm.
yeah.
And
So,
can you be more complete with your symptoms?
wala naman siyang masyadong,
Meron ba siyang
sinabi
cough,
kasi, no, he
shortness
doesn't
of
have lung
breath?
problems, no
Don't
palpitations,
say lung
no
problem. You just say lung imbalance.
no lung imbalances, no constipation, no headaches, no chest pains, or no
Just the edema.
abdominal pains, just the edema and
So
yun,
no
edema and
constipation. Pero are the stools
no. Okay naman daw po, Doc. Normal naman daw. Yun lang talaga yung ihi lang daw talaga niya. At saka yung sa gabi nga hindi siya masyado nakatulog ng maganda.
ilang beses siya umiihi sa gabi?
Mga 4 times daw, 5. Tapos pa konti-konti lang.
Okay. So may heat na siya.
Parang ganun nga yung
May
naisip ko,
heat
Doc.
na siya.
Kasi,
And that heat actually contributed, 'di ba pag maraming heat, um, nag-evaporate yung body fluids mo. Do you
oo,
remember? Kasi hindi naman yan
oo.
forever, yeah. So, syempre pag heat, magkakaroon ka ng mga ng dampness or ng phlegm. If you look closely, do you agree, Ma'am Trix? It's very phlegm.
Yes, may yung white coating. Is it
Yung
white or
siguro
yellow?
ngayon, yung kanina na photo, the one on the left side, yun na yung bago niya ngayon.
The
Kaya
one
sabi
on the
ko,
left.
you might be experiencing, sabi ko, healing crisis. Kaya sabi ko, pag may mga nausea ka or something, yun,
Cleansing.
dizziness. Kasi pinag-cleansing ko kasi aside from auriculotherapy, Doc, eh. So, cleansing, detox, and using. Kaya mapapansin mo, the photo on the right, medyo nag-lighter na yung skin niya.
Yung,
Yan. Kasi na, na
The
naging
photo
okay
on the
siya din
right,
talaga sa face.
the photo
yung
on
No,
naka-yellow.
I mean, the photo on the left na nasa na green shirt na siya, that
it's not
that
green.
was
Previous.
It looks
green,
Green
yellow.
yeah.
shirt. Blue.
Yeah,
Blue.
green shirt or whatever.
Green ba siya?
Basta
Bluish green.
blue shirt or
Green.
basta yung blue shirt,
Bluish.
yung blue shirt, Doc, that that is the recent picture. So, iyan na yun siya, nakapag-cleansing na siya and detox and everything. The
Ah,
one
the blue
on,
shirt.
ano, one on the yellow shirt siya, yun yung previous 1 week ago, nung hindi pa kami nag-auriculotherapy, no, wala pang start ng program. Yun talaga yun.
So anong comment niya? Did he like your treatment?
Yeah, kasi yung ihi niya gumanda. Gumanda na yung ihi niya. So yung edema niya hindi na masakit, medyo nag-subside na rin talaga siya, Doc. Pero meron pa rin siya, pero hindi na ganun katulad last time. Tapos wala na yung pain nung edema. So ang natira na lang na problema niya ngayon is although yung edema medyo manageable na siya, yung problema naman niya, yung pagtulog naman daw. Medyo,
Wala siyang
although,
lower back pain.
wala eh. Wala siyang lower back pain.
Baka you
Wala siyang
forgot to
lower back.
ask.
No, kasi yun talagang usually inuuna ko talaga yan, Dok, kasi yung 10 questions, yun talaga yung do you have
What about
constipation?
knee
Do you have
pain?
problem with your urine? Ha?
Knee,
Knee pain.
knee pain.
Wala ring knee pain, Dok. Tinanong ko rin yun paulit-ulit na may pain ka ba sa upper dito sa mga limbs mo, upper limbs mo, sa mga fingers, sa hands, sa elbows and shoulders. Wala daw.
Are you sure
Sabi
no
ko,
cough?
okay. Ano to? Ano, Doc?
No cough?
No, no cough talaga. Kaya nga tinanong ko nga, are you experiencing, kuya, asthma? Asthmatic ka ba? Or dumaan ka ba sa pneumonia or anything that's related sa, yun nga, sabi wala naman daw. Siguro talaga ano, Doc, siguro nung kabataan niya, malakas din talaga siya. Tapos siguro na-over lang din talaga siya sa field work siguro. Kasi farmer sila eh.
Usually
Akyat pa ba sila ng bundok?
So physical activity, yung physical na
Yeah.
nagbubuhat.
May umiinom ba yung patient mo, Doc? Che?
Dati
Alcohol.
daw. Yeah,
Oh,
dati daw.
okay.
Dati. Pero matagal na rin namang hindi na daw. Kasi,
No, actually,
no.
na-impact talaga yon kahit matagal na yon.
Yeah.
Kapag
Yun nga sinasabi ko.
ang liver
Kasi
affect.
defensive masyado yung iba, Doc, eh. Sasabihin na, no, ay, hindi na po, matagal na.
Kasi
Kasi
Eh,
matagal na
minsan
una-una,
kasi
panahon din
lying
silang naging
sila eh.
alcoholic. Yes.
Minsan lying yun eh. Kakainom
kasi
ng last.
sa bukid, ganun talaga, diba? Like,
Yeah.
napagod.
Actually. Mm-mm. Kasi syempre, wala naman silang libangan doon, di ba? After ng saka
So,
or ano.
so dahil sa work niya, meron na siyang kidney yang deficiency. I think that explains the edema. And
Oo.
it's actually a more kasi based sa ano ba, like how is the pulse? Sabi mo hindi na mafe-feel sa
Iba yun, Doc. Iba yung pulse. Kanina, yung ngayon, yung sa lalaki, yung sa male na patient, yung ano lang talaga niya, mahina, is yung kidney talaga, Doc, eh. Kasi
oh,
pantay-pantay yung pulse ng
you
iba,
check
eh. Yung,
okay, alam mo how would you explain the insomnia?
yun nga yung ano ko, Doc. Yun din yung ano ko, Doc,
I
eh.
think you
Yun yung
know the answer. You know the
nagpa-puzzle sa akin.
alam mo ano ba, what makes your Shan very very restless? Huh? Do you think if the heart has enough blood or chi or heat,
Yeah.
it can
Maybe.
it can provide the residence for the Shan? So restless yung
No.
sleep niya, wala. So
Mm.
we will be looking at the yin deficiency thing. And since medyo, I think he looks old for his age.
Yeah,
Mm.
actually.
So
Oo.
if you look older than your
Mm-mm.
age, so we will be looking at the kidney.
Yeah.
Once the kidney is affected,
Oo.
so affected yung lahat niyan, no? The spleen, nakita mo. Oo. And then,
Mm-mm.
so yung sinasabi mo na, like, he would wake up, like, scanty urine lang, no?
Mm.
So that's very yin deficiency also.
Mm-mm.
And the yin deficiency there generated heat. Naging heat na siya. So that's deficient heat. Um, And so the heat actually made the Shan more restless. So hindi siya makatulog. Yun.
So
So
may heart imbalance na rin
yun.
din siya, Doc.
Okay, it was good that Miss Ma'am Trix asked about the liver. So that's very, very
Yeah. Mm-mm.
typical
It
of,
looks like, ano kasi,
oo nga eh.
yung parang,
So
Oo.
the liver and the heart, ano yan. So definitely meron siyang liver yin deficiency or liver blood deficiency, and then naubos na yung kanyang
Kid,
kidney
kidney yan.
yin.
Doc, siya yung sublingual niya.
Ay, oo, hindi ko na-check.
Tiny.
Ay,
I always forget about the sublingual talaga.
you should
Ay,
always
nako,
do
talagang
it first.
isasama ko na yan. Sige,
Okay.
Oo.
isasama ko na yan.
Doc, She, matanong
Yes
lang
po.
po. Doc, ano ba to? Hindi siya na-diagnose, Doc, na mataas ang creatinine. Hindi siya kidney patient.
Um, nung nagpa-check daw sila, ay, bait nagpa-check na sila. Wait lang ha. Ay, hindi sila, never pa silang nagpa-check talaga sa mga
Ah,
center
Mm.
na ano. Kasi yung
Hindi ka rin
typical na
nag-suggest
talagang,
ng creatinine.
nagsuggest ako to, nagsuggest ako na, ano, find time to go to a diagnostic
Mm.
clinic, tapos ipa-check mo yung urinalysis, NCBC, ganito, ganito. Kasi actually may partner ako na ano doc, diagnostic clinic eh. Kaya ini-refer ko sila doon na
Check mo rin
anytime
yung
pag may
liver
blood
niya.
sugar ako.
Liver function tests.
Yeah. Ay, yung SGPT, SGOT. mga BUN.
BUN is
Mukhang meron
kidney.
na siyang fatty liver eh.
BUN.
Yeah.
Baka daw may fatty liver.
Mukha na siyang may fatty liver kasi alcoholic siya.
Yeah. Fatty liver dahil sa
Maaari.
alcohol.
Sa alcohol. Maaari pala. Oo.
Makikita
So,
mo yun sa ear, yung sa fatty liver.
talaga,
Yung
saan
sa
banda, Ma'am
ear.
Shex?
Yung
Parang meron siyang bukol-bukol. Parang
At saka
fat
Sa
ano,
ear?
deposit.
asan yung picture ng ear niya?
Wala
Fat
akong
deposit.
picture.
May napansin ka bang may mga buhok-buhok sa ear niya?
Oo.
Hindi ko
Saka
masyado...
parang line dun sa may earlobe.
Okay, so
Okay,
next
sige.
time, gawin mo ng
Okay, complete
kompleto.
na ako.
Yeah, a
Pag yung
little bit.
sublingual talaga nakakalimutan ko. My God.
Okay, last question. I'm sure tinignan mo yung tenga niya. How is the tenga? Is it moist and you know?
Or dry.
No, dry.
Okay. So that's a bad prognosis.
Yeah, dry siya.
Parang nanguluntoy na. Okay.
Not totally dry na dry, pero may dryness talaga. Not the
Okay.
typical na normal
Pero
ear.
feeling ko matigas din yung ears niya. Yung pag
Yeah.
ginawa.
Oo.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Matigas.
Next time,
Yun,
we really appreciate your sharing. Ay, may 1 year na
may
ba?
1 year na ba? Yung sinabi ko nga po, for the past few years daw, pag nagkakaroon siya ng edema, nawawala lang. Kasi pag umiinom daw sila ng sambong, tapos pag medyo, ganun lang daw, medyo nawawala naman daw.
Sambong
Lately
is
lang,
for, lagundi pala yung sa lungs. Sambong is
isa
for,
lang. Sambong kasi yung diuretic na, na natural diuretic. Tapos, yun, iniinuman niya lang daw kung ano-anong mga, alam mo na, yun sa mga herbs, gano'n. Tapos, ay, okay. Tapos ngayon kasi ma'am, hindi na siya nawala eh. Pinansin namin parang mga 3 weeks na siyang ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, dati kasi ilang araw lang nawawala na agad. So, yun.
Okay.
Yun yung ano nila. Yun yung
So any
problem.
comments? Yung iba? So next time, Doc Sha, please include the sublingual veins. So let's make that as a
Okay.
plan.
Yeah, next
Picture mo
time
na
may
din yung
share
ear.
ako. Yeah. May share ako pag bumalik siya yung may thyroid cancer. Kasi tinanggal na yung
Ay,
thyroid
sige.
niya.
Gusto ko
Tinanggal na
makita
yung
yung
thyroid niya.
Ako din. Kung makita
Actually,
yun.
hindi pa siya sa akin, nagpa-check. Pero tiningnan ko muna yung ano niya. Although, ito yung dila niya. Ito yung front. Ito yung front
Dami.
ng dila niya, yung may thyroid cancer.
It's
Pero tinanggal niya na daw
purple.
yung, yeah, purple na yung sides niya
With
and
some red spots, red
yeah,
prickles.
yeah. At ito yung sabling.
Yung
Ito yung sabling. Ito yung sublingual niya.
Ay,
Medyo
wow.
dark lang kasi
May
medyo dark na
favoritism.
siya.
Pag lalaki, hindi mo tinitingnan yung sublingual.
Ayan, o di ba? That's her sublingual.
Very
Medyo,
damp. And
yeah, very,
tingnan mo
very
ka, it's
damp
purple.
talaga.
Very congested
Yeah,
ang vein.
yeah. Grabe talaga.
Mm-mm.
So, pag
So,
nagbalik siya sa
serious lang
akin,
here.
Thyroid cancer, especially with papillary, it's the most kind of cancer. So if ever papipiliin ka, what type of cancer would you have?
thyroid. Thyroid.
Wala
Nakalood
daw.
naman, Doc, di ba?
None.
Pero, oo.
None.
Oy, pero Doc, alam mo ba, pinatanggal
very ano ka
yung
kaya?
thyroid glands niya.
Oo naman. Oo. So
Tanggal na.
ano siya, thyroid hormone siya, L2.
Yeah. Forever medication na siya.
So
Ano
that
yun?
means
Hindi ko na
forever din siya
matandaan.
titingin sa'yo. Because
Yeah.
the tongue it's not looking good. What about her
Yeah.
ears?
Hindi ko kasi pauwi na kami nung Dok nung pumasok sa clinic eh. Tapos parang naligaw siya kasi may iba ata siyang pupuntahan na yung colonics dito, hydrocolonics. Eh sabi ko, I'm not aware of that. Pero sabi ko, sige mauna ka muna doon, after mo doon, bumalik ka na lang sa akin. Pero sabi
Okay.
ko,
The next
picture na
time,
lang muna ko ng dila mo.
Next time, tingnan mo kung meron siya mga phlegm ridge, no? Usually, yan ang cause bakit nagkakaroon ng mga masses yung mga tao. Okay? We shall
Phlegm ridge,
see
Dok.
phlegm ridge, yeah. So
Saan
that
yan, sa
means you did
ear?
not read the book, Chinese Auricular Acupuncture. You even
Wala pa.
subscribed to you even donated.
Oo. Oo. Inuna ko kasi yung yung iba, yung videos. Yung mga PDF, hindi ko pa binabasa. Yung mga videos mo, yung mga
Siguro
pinagaano ko.
I'm planning to have it siguro end of March. We will discuss like puro pictures. That book is so amazing. Black and white nga lang. So I'll try. There are many books, di
Mas
ba?
maganda yun, Doc. Parang once a month, may book review ka sa mga sinisend mo sa akin.
Yung book
O,
review.
diba? Binigyan ng trabaho.
Summarization daw.
Just present
Summarization of...
it. We'll just present it
Ayaw
based
ba,
on,
sir?
kasi parang it's so kulang, your presentation, no? We would
yeah,
appreciate it if you
actually.
show us the ear. And then there should
So,
always be a comparison between the left and right ear. You will notice sa lalaki, you will see more abnormalities sa left ear. Okay? So yun,
naghanap ako ng halogen light, Doc. Kasi, di ba sabi ni Machocha, yun ang pinaka-close to parang
natural light.
natural light. Oo. Naghanap ako ng halogen light.
Kahit yung mix na lang ng white and yellow, medyo close. Ano na yun? Kasi ang mahal ng halogen, tas walang flash. Walang
Okay.
mabili dito.
Sige.
Naghanap nga ako kasi sabi ko, mahirap din talaga pag hindi.
Kailan ka mag-recording?
Sa Saturday, gusto mo?
Sabi, yun din sinabi mo last time. Dumaan na lang yung Saturday.
Uy, nag-record tayo last time. Ano ka ba? Diba?
That was 2 Saturdays ago.
Ay, ganun ba?
Si Madam M pa
Sige, tama na
mag-record.
natin.
Sige, sige, Doc. I-message mo ako, Doc. Tapos,
Sige, let me
i-send
know.
mo sa akin.
Sige.
Oo, di ba Stomach Meridian tayo?
Memorize mo na. Sige. No, the new one na tayo ngayon. O sige, kunin mo na yung Stomach Meridian. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
Yeah, and yung mga taga Negros, please stay
Ay,
behind.
Doc, meron pala akong may nagpunta dito from Malacanang. And ano siya parang medical doctor siya. Kilala ka niya eh. And he's also a naturopathic doctor and a CA. Ang pangalan niya is, ano pa pangalan niya? Nakalimutan ko. I-PM ko sa'yo. He's willing to, partner with me dito.
Ay,
Mag-wellness mission daw kami.
so
Okay,
he must have
sabi
been
ko.
impressed with you because you're so
No, kasi hindi, nag-courtesy call siya sa City Council. Session ng husband ko kanina, nung nagpakilala siya na gano'n niya. Kasi nandito siya sa Palawan kasi mamimigay siya ng mga computer subsidy at sa mga schools
Wow.
from Malacanang. So, nung nagpakilala siya, I'm a medical doctor, but I'm also a naturopathic doctor, and an acupuncturist, gano'n. So, after nung
Parang kilala ko
courtesy
na
call,
yan.
mahal, ano nga yung pangalan ng medical doctor? Roland Tolentino? Parang Tolentino yung last name, Doc. Tapos Roland, something. Rolando Tolentino.
Mamaya na tayo mag-usap niyan. So, thank you so much. Umalis na kayo. Sige, let's say goodbye for now. Thank you so much, Doc She. I hope next time you include the ears, both left and right. And then
Opo,
when you
okay.
take a
And the
picture of
sublingual mistrix.
you try to move
Always.
closer sa mukha ng pasyente because we want to see the back of the tongue. Okay?
Oo. Okay.
So, thank you.
Minsan kasi natatakot ako syempre kaya medyo malayo. Gino-zoom
Yeah.
ko lang.
So tomorrow,
medyo
I hope you
lapit
can
ko
share
lang.
more pictures. Meron pa tayong isa bukas. I would like to invite all of you for diagnostics na tayo sa auricular medicine. And sige, yun. Siguro I will give, would you like me to give you
Followed by tongue diagnosis.
Yeah. And also tongue diagnosis. It's still comparing the tongue and the pulse. So I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. And
Thank you, Doc.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
Bye po.
Night,
Thank you,
night.
Doc.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Doc.
everyone.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Dino. Yeah. Anyway. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Doc. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.